Hi, my name is Mary. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I thread elastic for my scrub caps. Stick threader that I got from Dritz. It comes in a little pack, and this is the 1/4 inch threader. I'll explain to you how we use it. You start off by inserting your elastic onto the top, and then you thread it through the bottom. This one's a little frayed, so it's a little harder than usual, but this is how you insert it, and then you put it through a channel that you create wherever you want your elastic to go into. I'll link this in the description below. And then I fold that. So I have that ready to go. Now I get this piece and thread it through my opening here. Makes it a lot easier than using a safety pin. I pull that through, take this out, and I pull this all the way back just to where a little bit is showing. Now I'm going to raise my needle and start sewing in here. And I'll bring that in as a close-up so you can see what that looks like up close. So then I am going to pull this tight so it gives a nice stretch. And I'll show you what that looks like up close when I'm sewing this. So I just put it into my machine. So now I'm all finished making the scrub cap. As you can see, it's all even. We have our buttons on. I've tied them off. I've cut them. I've done everything that I need to, and it's ready to go and be packaged. I'll just show you what that looks like. I'm keeping this one for myself. I think it's really cute. It's a bee and a worker bee and super cute. So what you do is you just put this on like so, and then you tie it in the back. If you'd like to watch more videos about sewing, serging, and embroidery, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.